Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that is perfect for a family seeking space or the savvy investor. This house consists of 7 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and is located in the central yet quiet community of Fairview Park, Spanish Town. On the ground floor, it features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, dining area, living area, indoor laundry, and a double carport. Upstairs boasts 3 spacious bedrooms, 1 bathroom, kitchen, living area, balcony, and a self-contained 1 bedroom with own kitchen. It is minutes away from all desired amenities. The land area of this house is approximately 5,832 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.